It's a little cooler today, overcast and cloudy. But I went out and checked the yard. Everything's looking good. I need some work on my beehives. I pretty well got my garden under control, for heat control anyway. So we'll take it from here. Yes, when you put that chopped up grass in there, dried grass, mulch I'll call it, it holds the moisture. Now, since yesterday, I don't know if you saw the video yesterday, but these plants look like they've grown 3 inches. It's holding the moisture, and they're using it instead of losing it. It's surprising what a little compost and water can do. It seems like this stuff has sprouted 3 or 4 inches since yesterday. Look at it. It's coming on fast. The bees look a little cooler this morning than average. For some reason, it don't seem as hot this morning as it did yesterday. I got the little shade cloths, I'll say cloth, plastic covers over the front of the hive, trying to knock as much sun off as I can, to help them any way I can. Plus, I have the shade cloth. But I'm fixing to customize the big hive in the center right there and the little hive to add ventilation to the top where the air can ventilate through it. This one's already fixed, the small one. And they don't have nearly many bees on the outside. So if I get the ventilation in these two better, I think they're gonna be all right. Also, I'm gonna open that little 5-frame nuke up. I might just push it to a 10-frame. I'll find out this evening or later, either tomorrow. But that's just something on the list to do, to keep everything going, keep it on the even keel.